Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, my name is NESHA and welcome to today's video. I hope you guys like. Leave me your feedback down at the bottom. Let me know how you feel about today's video. And if you haven't already, I know you're going to. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, okay? Make sure that notification bell is clicked as well. So that way you guys will get notified when your girl upload her next video, because she ain't got no upload schedule. So she just uploading when she feels like it this year. So y'all need that bell on, okay? So y'all won't miss any videos dropping from your girl, okay? Okay. But yes, today is another look for the birthday series, birthday theme. And we are representing Capricorn because it's Capricorn season right now, okay? So we are showing out for Capricorns. I'm personally not a Capricorn, but I'm representing for the Capricorns right now because it's y'all season, okay? And then today I'm using the Cara Beauty Capricorn palette. She is a beauty. When I say y'all she's a beauty, she's a beauty. I love the colors in here. It's just, she's just gorgeous, okay? So I can definitely see myself coming back doing some more looks using her because it's giving multiple looks, okay? So for my Capricorn babes, I'm here for another look. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, then of course keep on watching. And we're back just like that. Okay, so this is the second look for Capricorns. Yes, and today we're going to be using the Cara Beauty palette for today. She's a cutie patootie. Look at the shades, honey. I'm getting a lot of different variety, like of just different looks just popping up in my head. So I'm gonna have fun with this one. I think I'm gonna do more looks using this palette than the actual GLAM Capricorn palette, because I can play around with different, you know, styles of looks. Like I can do a purple look, I can do a blue look, I can actually do like a nice neutral look, or just play with all of the colors. Like I can do some things with this palette, okay? So let's jump right into the look. Where my brushes at? I always do this before I even push the record button. Girl, get your brushes together. All right, so I'm gonna jump in with the first shade, this brown. Do I really want to go with this brown? Yes, I already said it, so let's jump right into it. It's nice matte brown, of course. Cara Beauty, they never disappointed with their quality of their eyeshadows as well. This is a really good, I feel like not really a noticeable brand that gets spoken a lot about on YouTube, not even on TikTok really. I mainly see this brand a lot on Instagram. That's where I follow them at, and they come out with a lot of new releases, just like ColourPop and Make a Revolution. Like it's a new drop every single week, but their stuff is really affordable and they always have a sale going on, always. And like I said, their quality of the eyeshadows are really good, so that's giving what I want to be giving. Does I really want to go with this brown though? I thought I was gonna do some color today. I don't know, we're just floating in the air, okay? All right, and then I'm gonna use this shade right here to blend out that brown. Alright, so I did decide to cut my crease because, I don't know, I just felt like I wanted to be extra today. And like I said, a cut crease is just, it screams birthday for me. Cut creases and glitter, of course. I might have some non-cut crease look using this palette, of course, or just any other like Zodiac looks. The color that I want to use today was meant for cut crease. Alright, so the shade I am jumping right into with is this beautiful blue. Y'all know I like me some blues. Blue and purples, okay? I can't stay away from them. I'm gonna pop this on the lid. Ooh, that's pretty. I think I'm gonna pretty much put this all over my eyelid. Let's do something different, because I always combine different colors and all that. I can come back and do that, but I think I wanna just use this blue by itself. Alright, I'm going to add another shade on my lid. I'm going to put a little bit of this dark blue, this one right here. I want to pop a little bit of that on the outer part of my lid. And then a little towards the outer part, right where that dark brown is at. I'm only going to put it towards the outer, so I don't want it to be sloppy. I'm gonna add a different style of a brush to blend that blue in my crease. I didn't want to go all the way across with this, but I got a little too carried away with it, so. Let's add one more color. I'm gonna take this nice metallic frosty white shade and I'm gonna pop it right in the remaining part of my inner tear duct. I kind of left that bling for a reason because I was like, we're gonna add another color. Oh, that one's not doing too well, and it's giving choppy vibe. Okay, I am going to tweak this and fix it. Maybe it's the brush I'm using. You know what? Let me try a different brush. Right now it's making it look very, I don't know, I can't describe. Oh, you know what? I'm tripping, y'all. I'm tripping. Let me put some of this glitter glue on my inner part. That's gonna make it stick a lot better. Y'all have to excuse me, I'm a little rusty when it comes to these tutorials. It's been a minute trying to get back into the swing of things. Alright, so this is what the eyes are giving. I really honestly love this, okay? Look at that. This looks very pretty without the lashes and all that, you know, put together. Like my whole face ain't even put together yet. It's just wait, okay? Let me zoom out because I feel like I'm a little too close. Let me zoom out. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my face really quick and then I'm gonna be back to show you guys what I did, okay? Be right back. Alright, I need a quick lip combo for this look. I'm gonna go in with my NYX pencil. Alright, I'm going to be trying this lipstick shade called Numero Uno by Live Glam. Alright, then I'm going to go in with a little bit of some Fenty Heat and apply that on top. Alright, so this completes the birthday look for my Capricorns. I really do hope you guys like this look because she's getting very... Alright, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys like today's makeup look. Y'all, this palette is giving me my life, okay? So I definitely will come back probably with 2 more looks using this palette. So definitely be on the lookout for those looks. And as for my Capricorn babes, y'all go ahead and shout yourself out in the comment section. I want y'all to show out, okay? Go hard or go home, okay? Because I want to see who is going to represent the most when it comes to these zodiac signs, okay? So Capricorn, y'all the first one up, so do it, boo. Do what you do, okay? I want to see who's following your girl who is a Capricorn, okay? And I hope you guys try this look out. Absolutely beautiful. It's nice. Not so very like bold, daring blue. I don't think, in my opinion, it's kind of like softish, sort of. I don't know. In my opinion, it is. Okay. But yeah, she's cute. Okay. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like it. Of course, I will see you guys in my next video. So y'all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed. Stay amazing. And I see y'all when I see y'all. Bye.